You've probably heard of this before. Amazon KDP is too competitive now. Coloring books are completely saturated. It's too late to start. And yet every single week, new coloring books are still being published that go on to sell. Not just a few copies, hundreds, even thousands. Which raises an interesting question. If the market is supposedly too crowded, why are new coloring books still finding buyers? Today, we're going to be talking about Amazon KDP coloring books that are still selling even with all the competition. Because the reality is this, competition on KDP doesn't mean opportunity disappears. It simply means the wrong types of books stop working, while the right ones continue quietly selling in the background. And after spending a lot of time digging through the marketplace, studying rankings, niches, and new releases, certain patterns start to appear. Patterns most people overlook. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the kinds of coloring books that are still selling on Amazon right now in 2026, and why they continue to work despite the competition. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first type of coloring book that still sells well in 2026 is going to be this monochrome coloring book. We see total results 736, so not competitive here. This is still an under the radar niche, but as you're gonna see, very, very popular books. Bestsellers rank on the first page, averaging 175,000. Look at the niche score, very, very high at 85. And the niche score analysis from Titan's Quick View saying demand is a 7 and opportunity here has a 9. Now going through these books, these are very simple black and white monochrome type coloring books. A little bit different than standard coloring books. But as you can see with the cover, they're all the same black and white cover. This is the type of book this is. But just looking at and taking a glance at the bestsellers ranks, you can see this book right here, $5,992. If you look at the royalties, estimated anywhere from $3,000 to almost $5,000 per month in pure royalties from one single book. And just look at the publishing date. It is not too old of a book, not even 1 year old. Now the book right next to it, ranking 10,826, is seeing royalties estimated around $2,000 to $3,000 per month. And once again, not a very old book. So this just goes to prove to you that yes, books can still sell relatively quickly, and it doesn't have to be an old book. It can definitely be a brand new book. Now the one right next to it, recently published just a few months ago, bestsellers rank already 12,921, and the reviews are coming in hard on this one. Royalties 1,850 to 2,775 per month. Once again, guys, these are all coming just from one single book. The book right next to it, 6,589, with royalties estimated $3,000 to $4,600 per month. And the one right next to it, $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Monochrome Murders, published not so long ago with a 25,000 BSR. This is all on the first page. Now, if we go through the rest of this page, you can see the bestsellers ranks: 12,000, 22,000, 31,000, 24,000, 49,000. I hope you get my point with this niche. This is a very lucrative niche, a very under the radar niche, definitely a niche that you should think about joining. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this one. This is titled Restful Monochrome Coloring Book, reverse coloring book with designs in black and white. Now this book priced $9.99, typical of coloring books. 47 unique illustrations, 100 pages, all very typical. Now, when we look at the interior, you're gonna see how this works. You just fill in the blank spaces with the color black, and it's gonna turn into this type of illustration right there. The only color you need is black. Here's another example of how this works. And this book with the bestsellers rank 12,600, 30-day royalties anywhere from $1,000 to over $1,600 per month, all coming from one single book. Now, the next type of KDP coloring books that still sell well in 2026 and beyond is going to be the Bold and Easy coloring book. Now, these types of books went viral for a time, and they're actually still super popular these days. They're not going away anytime soon. As you can see, they are getting quite competitive, 10,000 results. But as we look through here on the first page, I mean, you're going to see a lot of different niches, sub-niches, and a lot of bestsellers. You'll see the bestsellers ranks really low on a lot of these books. And yes, this type of niche is dominated by bigger publishers, but that just means that there's more eyeballs on these types of books, which means that there's definitely a chance at doing well in this type of niche. As you can see, the different types of sub niches: cozy Valentines, relaxation bold and easy, minimalist bold and easy, relaxing flowers, cozy farm, love vibes, stress relief, swear words, food and drink and snacks, girl things. So a lot of different ways to go about this niche, and finding a sub niche is actually part of the game here. If you find a sub niche, be the first one to publish, and it becomes very popular, well, you're going to do very, very well. For example, this sub niche, the Mexican Treats coloring book, bold and easy. You see total results very low, so not competitive here, 101. And Titan's Quick View gives it a low niche score, and the analysis is not that great. But looking through the books here, you're going to see these rankings: 34,000, 200,000, 27,000, 85,000, 34,000, 200,000. So you can see a lot of books selling very, very well all throughout the first page. And this is not that hard of a book to actually create, especially with AI these days. You can create this type of Mexican Treats coloring book without actually having to draw it yourself or without having to hire illustrators. And as you can see, 27,000, 200,000 books are still selling very well throughout the first page and all the way to the end of the first page. Now, the next type of KDP coloring book that still sells well in 2026 is going to be the Korean pop coloring book, also known as K-pop coloring book. Total results 804, so not too competitive for something that is super, super popular. Niche score 67, Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And going down the first page here, this book ranked at 10,000. You can see the royalties here, $3,000 to $4,800 per month. This one has a bestseller rank of 300,000. This one 6,526. Look at those royalties, upwards of $4,600 per month. This one right here, 104,000 BSR, 10,000 BSR, 54,000 BSR, 118,000 BSR, 142,000 BSR, which this one's a little bit different. This is a Huga Korea bold and easy coloring book. It does include K-pop as it says in the title. And this one right here ranked at 72,000. So if we take a look at this example, the K-pop aesthetic vibes coloring book. Now I will say one thing to take note is to probably stay away from the term K-pop and just go with the more generic term Korean pop, because there might be some trademark issues in the future with this term K-pop. But if you stick with Korean pop, that won't be a problem at all. Now this book priced at $10.99, so a little bit higher than the normal pricing that I see. 106 pages and 50 illustrations. Now this is going to be kind of like that bold and easy type, the square format. And looking through the interior here, you're going to see it actually looks like it was created by AI, especially with these faces here. This was a big thing with AI in the past, making things with these faces. But obviously this book has done well. When we look at the ratings, 4.8 out of 5, 84% overall, a 5-star. Bestsellers ranked 72,000, royalties a couple $100 per month. And the book was just recently published just a few months ago. Now, the next type of KDP coloring books that still sell well in 2026 is going to be the Huga coloring book. Total results, we see 2,075. Now, there's going to be a lot of sub niches within the Huga coloring book, just as there were with the bold and easy type of coloring book. This is very similar, but this is just a different type of style. Now, Huga is just another term for what we know as cute and cozy. So they're interchangeable. You can use them with your keywords, interchange them, try to get ranked on both. But they basically mean the same thing when it comes to these types of coloring books. Now, looking at the sub niches, you have this Huga Place type of coloring book. This one has a bestseller, does come from a big publisher. You have your Fuzzy Huga, Little Corner, Cozy Friends, all bestsellers, all coming from the same big publisher. But as we go through the rest of the first page, you're going to see more sub niches: Fuzzy Huga, Cozy, Huga Corner, Huga Nature, Huga Delights, and rankings 56,000. This book is making anywhere from $500 to $800 per month. This one a couple $100, this Huga Nature book. Fluffy Huga, Cozy Home, Huga Heaven. So like I said before, it's all about the sub niches. finding a sub niche that people aren't really thinking about and just taking advantage of that niche. This one is a Hygge Koala Bold and Easy coloring book, Hygge Girl, Hygge Home. As you can see, lots of sub niches, a lot of different ways to create this type of book. So if we take a look at this example, this is the Hygge Corner, basically illustrations of corner spaces. And this one priced at $9.99. Once again, typical pricing point. This one, 76 pages overall, so probably I would say 35 illustrations. And looking at some of the interiors here, as you can see, there's some corner spaces right there, very creative. Definitely something that AI can generate. And if you'd like to get started creating these types of coloring books, you can check the link down below for some coloring book prompts that you can use with AI. It's just a way to help you get started without having to actually draw these illustrations and without actually having to hire illustrators. Now, this book with bestsellers ranked 84,871, seeing 30-day royalties anywhere from $200 to $300 per month. Now, the next KDP coloring book that still sells well in 2026 is going to be the Solar System coloring book. Total results 448, so not competitive here. Niche scores of 51, Titans Pro Analysis, Demand 7, Opportunity a 9. And going through the first page, this book is ranked at 118,000. So royalties, we see $266 to $400 per month estimated. You have the book right next to it, 135,000 ranking, 84,000, 66,000. Going on to the next row, 200,000, 85,000, 300,000. Next row, 38,000. 263,000, and some more books here doing well, like this one right here, 190,000. Now, if we take a look at this example Solar System coloring book for kids, once again, price point $9.99. This one very short, 58 pages total, but it's going to have 50 illustrations, or I would say 50 plus illustrations. So this is going to be printed in front and back, and it has a 4.7 out of 5 rating. 83% is a 5-star. When we look at the sample here, cover, just a bunch of planets here, and then book belongs to page, something about the author, and then some pages of the interior here. As you can see, one thing that I noticed is that looks like they were using different types of AI to put together these books. Definitely doesn't look like it's a very cohesive type of book, because you have one page that looks different from the next, from the next, and from the next. But that's totally okay, because this is a kid's coloring book, and kids don't really care about whether you use AI or not. All they care is about drawing and coloring these pages in. And so definitely a great place to go ahead and use AI. Now, if you'd like to start experimenting with creating your own coloring books using AI, I've linked a prompt list down in the description. These prompts are designed to help you generate coloring pages, covers, and even help you with the full structure of the book, which can make the process much simpler, especially if you don't have drawing experience. Of course, it's not required, but it can be very helpful and a great starting point in learning how to create these types of books. And if you're serious about learning how the entire KDP process actually works, from finding niches to publishing your book, make sure to grab my KDP Royalty Roadmap as well. That guide is completely free, and it'll walk you through the bigger picture of how to approach KDP the right way. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.